Hello everyone! This is Sirine from Canon Middle East, and guess what? We are back with new exciting Creative Park episodes where we are making paper crafts fun for everyone. Mothers do a lot for us, and since it's Mother's Day, the least we can do is to draw a smile on their faces during this very special day. You know what? My mom is sleeping next to her, and before she wakes up, we will be preparing a surprise for her. The most exciting part about the surprise is that it will be homemade using Creative Park only. Shh! I have already prepared this lovely bag, a small cute box that I'm going to fill with chocolate I made for Mom, a red flower, a rose basket card, and together we will be making a doll with a thank you message. By the way, all these paper crafts and much more can be found either on the Canon Creative Park website or on the Canon Creative Park smartphone app. First step is downloading and printing the template and the instructions. For today's very special activity, we will be using the Canon TS5340 printer, Canon matte photo paper, scissors, glue, and a pen. Second step is cutting the shape of the doll. Third step is gluing the green dots together and the blue dots together. And the last step is to assemble all the parts together to get the final shape. Alright guys, I'm done and she's awake, so let's go quickly and surprise her. Mama, happy Mother's Day! Thank you! Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers in the world, and thank you for everything you do for us. Stay tuned for the upcoming Creative Park episodes, and bye-bye!